Alright, so this is going to be problem 4 from assignment 11.3 on the back side of it. And this is going to be how we can find the equation of a parabola using just the vertex and the directrix. So if our vertex is -4, -6, and our directrix is x equals -10, well, our vertex is hk, and our directrix is x equals h minus p. So there's a few ways that we can look at this. We know we need to figure out which equation we're going to be using. So if we want to, we can make a graph really quick and go, okay, this is -10, so x equals -10 is our directrix, and then our vertex is over here at 4, -6, so that tells us the equation is going to open up to the right. Or we can look at it and go, okay, we know that our directrix is starting with x equals, so that tells us that we want to use the form of the equation where y is squared. So whichever way works for you to think about it is fine, but know that we're going to be using the equation y minus k squared equals 4p times x minus h. Okay, so anytime we're trying to find the equation of a parabola using this method with vertex and directrix or focus and directrix or any of those things, what we want to do is we need to find h, k, and p. So you're kind of lucky if you've been given the directrix because you already have h and k. Okay, so all we have to do then is find p. And we know that with our directrix, x equals h minus p. And our directrix is x equals -10. So we can go, okay, -10 equals h minus p. And since we know what h is, we can go ahead and plug in h. So we have -10 equals -4 minus p. Then adding 4 to both sides, we get -6 equals -p. And so then 6 would be positive p. So p is 6. And now we can just go ahead and write our equation. So using this form, we have y minus k, and since k is -6, minus -6 is really going to be like adding 6, equals 4p, so 4 times 6, so 24, times x minus h, so minus -4, so that's going to be a plus 4. So our equation is going to end up being y plus 6 squared equals 24 times x plus 4.